In this video, I will show you how to add apps to Windows 11 home screen or your desktop. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do on your desktop is just right click anywhere on a blank space of your desktop to bring up this menu. Then what you want to do is come and click onto personalize. What that's going to do is open up a window like this, and on this window you want to come and click onto themes. Then on the themes window, come down a bit to related settings just down here and click onto desktop icon settings. Now in here you can add some icons. So for example, you can add one for your PC, users files, network, control panel and recycle bin. To add any of these, just simply tick the box for the one that you want to add and then click apply and OK. Once that's done, what you can do is go ahead and close this down just like so. As you can see, I've just added the control panel one, and if you want to add any apps or games to your desktop or home screen, all you need to do is come down to the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and what you want to do, you're going to get a window like this. If you come up to the top right hand corner, you want to click here where it says all apps, give that a click, and what you can do is find the app that you want to add to your home screen or desktop. Now you can do this for any of these. What I'm going to do is use Discord as an example, and all you want to do is simply click, hold down your left mouse button and drag this onto your desktop just like so. And that is it pretty much. That is how to add apps to Windows 11 home screen or desktop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.